Dr. Clark, can you explain the difference between sexual orientation and gender identity?
Yes, I can.
All right.
So gender identity is who we believe we are in our brain. How do we identify? What gender or non-gender do we identify as in our brain? So when I say I am female, that's my brain saying I am female. And that can be regardless of what my body is, of what my hormones are, of what my chromosomes are. Okay. Now, who am I attracted to? I, Dr. Clark, happen to identify as heterosexual. I'm attracted to men, specifically my husband. And so I identify as heterosexual because my husband also identifies as male. Okay, in his head, he identifies as male. His body happens to be male as well. He's a cisgender male. So we have, my husband and I are a boring heterosexual couple. If I had a female body, was assigned female at birth, but my brain said I was male, and I was attracted to my husband, who is a cisgender male, then I would identify as homosexual because we would be the same sex regardless of our bodies. And fun, sort of a fun but kind of a sad story, was I knew a couple many, many, many years ago. They started out life as two females. They identified at the time as females. They had been assigned female at birth. They fell in love. They considered themselves lesbians. And then a little time went by, and one of them said, you know, I have to tell you, I'm realizing I'm not really female. I identify as male. And so they loved each other. The male started transitioning, started taking testosterone, got a male body, got surgery to top surgery. So now we have a male attracted to a female who had identified as lesbian, but now they're identifying as a heterosexual couple, right? And although we still had female genitals on the man, so it gets a little murky there. Who am I, you know, and what do I call myself, and do I need to call myself anything? But we have an apparently heterosexual couple. Well, then a couple years go by, and the female in the couple says, you know, I didn't want to look like a copycat or anything, but I can't hold this in anymore. I really do identify as male as well. So that person started to transition as well. So now we have two males in a relationship. So now we would have two homosexual males. Here's the kind of sad thing for all of you romantics out there, is our first male, our trans man, said, you know, I love you, but I identify as a heterosexual male. And now you're a male, and I'm not, that's homosexual, so we're gonna break up. The true story. And so wrap your head around that one. And at the end of the day, we get to each say for ourselves who we are, who we're attracted to. And for some people, it's going to transcend the bonds of physicality, physiology, and for some people not. And there you go.